Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we disable the harmful or the unwanted softwares through Google Chrome. So Google Chrome provides us a feature through which it scans the whole computer for us and gives us a list of the harmful softwares, if there are any, that may be harmful and a threat to our privacy, that may be malware, that may be harmful for our whole system in terms of virus or suspicious activities. So how do we start this process? And once the process has been completed, and if we found some hardware harmful softwares, then how do we take actions against it to protect our computer? This is everything that we are going to see in today's video. So let us start with the process without any further ado. The process is really simple. What you need to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser, once it is open, go to the top right corner. There you will find these three dots. So let's just click onto them. This will bring a bunch of options that we can perform with Chrome. Here the option we are looking for is the settings option. So let's just click onto that. This will open up the settings page for Google Chrome. So this settings page provides us with different options through which we can change the look and feel of the Chrome browser. We can customize it as per our needs. Also the technical settings, like what is being displayed, how everything is getting controlled inside Chrome, everything we can control through the settings panel. So in the settings panel we have a navigation panel on the left side. This is what we are going to use over here. In the navigation panel we have this advanced option. So let's just click on the drop down and scroll down. In the advanced there are these bunch of options that are available. We need to click on this last one, that is reset and cleanup. In the reset and cleanup we will see the two options: restore the settings to their original defaults. So if we just click on this, it will ask us that if you want to do that. So since we are trying to protect our computer, that's the first step that we need to do, is reset everything to default. Now what will this do? Everything would be restored to default. So any of the harmful configuration changes that might have been accidentally done to your Chrome browser would be removed. Any of the harmful extensions, temporary site data, or saved passwords, etc., everything would be removed. So you can just click on reset settings and that would be done for you. Second step that you are going to follow after you have reset everything to its default is clean up computer. So clean up computer means not only for the Chrome but for the whole computer, every software that is harmful that would be listed. So let's just click onto this option, and right now you can see in my screen that checking for harmful software is going on, but you might not get this option onto your screen. You might get something like, do you want to start checking? So you can just click on start checking button, and then what will happen is this process will start. So I have already started this process, as it's going to take around 15 to 20 minutes depending upon the area, the memory that the Chrome browser has to search on your computer, and then it will give you a list of all the softwares that are harmful. Once you have got the list, either you can go to the control panel in Windows and just remove all those softwares, or you can decide that what you want to do with those softwares. So if you don't get any list, you get that there is no harmful softwares, then you are good to go. You can proceed with your normal browsing. So that's it for this video. That's how you scan for the harmful software onto your computer, onto your whole computer, just using the Chrome browser. So Chrome browser is not just a browsing tool, but it is also provides features such as the scanning of your computer system. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.